amazing. Guys, from Maestro Vito Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fantastic typical food from Bari to show you how to make it and the full recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing cheese, which is a stracciatella cheese typical in Bari, my city, Puglia.
The stracciatella, stretched cheese, is a product obtained with the same procedure as mozzarella. Pieces of dough are manually unraveled and combined with cream.
I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go see full recipe how to make it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game,